Asante Kotoko.
Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Welcome back to Daily Kotoko. So today we are going to be talking about the Asante Kotoko strike jersey. So before we go into that, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now. So all over social media, fans have been complaining that the MTN logo in front of the Kotoko jersey doesn't look professional. They claim it's too big. It's too big and it is not bringing out the true beauty and the true nature of the jersey, and they are begging the management to look into this, to look for a way to change the style or reduce the size of the logo. If you can see the logo right here, the MTN logo is placed front of the jersey, the big part of the jersey, and fans have compared the Kotoko jersey to professional jerseys in Europe and all over the world, and they haven't seen any jersey that the sponsors have covered the front, almost the entire part of the front of the jersey, and the fans are complaining and they want the management to look into this. From my opinion, I feel that it's too big. When I saw it the first time, I saw the design, I said, oh, this is sleek design, but the problem is going to be the MTN jersey. We appreciate MTN. We know MTN is paying the club a lot of money, huge amount of money, about 79,000 Ghana cedis, if I'm not mistaken, a huge money for sponsoring the club. We thank them, but I hope the management will look into this, because the jersey is a very nice jersey. The red one and the green one, the only one that fits the MTN logo is the yellow one, because it blends in, but the red, white and green, it doesn't look good. The jersey is good, but the MTN logo there makes it look immature. It doesn't look very nice. So I hope the management looks into this, because it is very important that we look nice in our kits. Do you feel that the jersey is good? The jersey is nice? Do you feel that it is okay like that? Do you feel that the MTN logo is too big and the club should do something about it? I would like to know your thoughts. So comment below and tell me what you think about the jersey, if the logo is too big or not. So that's all for today. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.